In December, the darkest month of the year, Christmas light shines brightest of all. Hi, my name is Andrea, and today we'll peep through Zagreb's windows into the history of homemade Christmas ornaments. Did you know that many of them were edible, like this Christmas apple called božićnica? Božićnica was used as a tree topper, but you could also give it to someone you really fancied. Walnuts and hazelnuts were painted gold and silver. They were unshelled, so you couldn't eat them like those red plump apples. But kids knew how to snag a treat without getting noticed. They'd steal Christmas candies from the tree. The trick was to wiggle them out and leave the shiny paper in place. Some families used dry figs and prunes as decoration. Edibles again. But Zagreb's best-known emblem, licitar, is not for eating, even though it is officially a cookie. Licitars are made from leavened rye dough, honey and spices. By the time they're shaped and decorated, they're too hard to eat, but they do brighten up a Christmas tree. Christmas is all about turning darkness into light. This happens when a Christmas candle is lit, when Zagreb begins shimmering under neon lights, but also when we create art from simple materials we have at hand. For decades, people have used straw and husk to model intricate figurines in the nativity scene, stars, even chandeliers. Ornaments made of colored crepe paper are called kinch. They're versatile and, as I'm told, easy to learn.
Kinč i kinčanje je zapravo izrada cvjetnih ukrasa najčešće i tu zapravo čovjek može dati mašti na volju i napraviti zapravo sve ono što spretne ruke mogu napraviti. Dakle, ima različitih vrsta ružica, nekih karanfila, maslačaka, tratinčica, različitih zaista vrsta i to naravno ovisi o spretnosti svakoga ko radi, treba se vježbati kao i u svemu. Morate se malo potruditi oko toga da ruža recimo bude više rascvjetala ili će biti pupoljak. Krep papir je jako pogodan zato što se može lijepo oblikovati i zaista možete zapravo raditi različite forme jer se oblikuje. I što je dosta važno, u ovakvom postupku nema otpada, čak se i najmanji komadi mogu iskoristiti jer možete recimo manji komad iskoristiti kad vam ostane da napravite tuča.
Now all you need is a Christmas tree, or a branch if we're staying true to the old traditions. In the past, men dragged it in and women decorated it. Then they huddled around it and cherished a snapshot of Christmas magic, like this one.